Have you been using the Filmora editing app and wondering on how to add background on it? Then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add the background in the Filmora app. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the Filmora on your home screen, just like this. Now open it. After opening the app, make sure you have added the photo or video that you want to edit, just like this. Now to add the background, tap onto the video timeline just right here, just like this. Then simply resize the video just like this. Now you can see I have made it smaller and created a background. Now to add the background, simply scroll to your right, just like this. And here you can find the background option. Now tap on it. Now to add the background, simply choose one of the colors just like this. Or you can simply blur the background just like this. Now choose the one that you like the most, and now you can see the background has been added. And that's it. This is the way that you can add a background in the video or photo in the Filmora app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.